Si Jared at 4 months old. Height 2 feet. Weight 8 kilos. A very big baby, sleeping like an alligator. This baby knows how to say alligator. Alligator. Because Tita won't give the fish if he will not say alligator. So the baby tried to say arroyo, and then it improved it into alligator. After baby Jared said alligator, Tita gave Jared a very cute fishy. The fishy is a red-capped goldfish. That fish is not gold, but is a red-capped goldfish. That is the story of Jared and the alligator.